no turning back. On the train we ride and see one panda munching bamboo, happily rolling past. Oh, what a view! Two little puppies go woof woof too. By the meadow near the tree, three little bunnies hop, 1, 2, 3. Through the field the children explore, four little lions go roar, roar, roar. By the pond with splishy tricks, 5 ducklings quack, quack quick. Under the bridge where waters mix, 6 shiny fish swim, flick, flick, flicks. High in the sky the song is sweet, 7 little birds go tweet, tweet, tweet. By the farm near the wooden gate, 8 playful kittens purr-purr, so great. Buzzing bees make quite a line, 9 little buzz buzz bees all shine. The whistle blows, the stars all glow, 10 fireflies sparkle, a magic show. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, all the numbers on the track. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, we counted 10 and now we're back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Little Learners Club is here.